What do you mean by sit down?
Yo!
That's an actual gunshot right there, bro.
Oh my god. Guys, what's crazy is that in Minecraft, when I was playing Minecraft, there was a thunderstorm.
Oh, right there. Right there.
Ooh, look at that. Look at that.
I want to live in like Florida or Alabama or like Brooklyn.
Sweet home Alabama. Cover that. Cover that.
We're recording today. No fireworks yet.
I want some fireworks.
There's one behind us.
I'm gonna die.
Almost right there.
What is?
Right there. Do you see that smoke right there?
Yeah.
I came from there. I already got. Oh my god.
Rest
There's
of
gonna be anything.
Avery, no, get one side. Come on. No, he's gonna hold my feet. He's gonna mess up. Going this way.
See? Do you see the fire? That looks like fire. But wait, before you pop it, let me know.
Oh, Jesus. Block 13.
Yo, 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 yo.
Avery.
Yo, I didn't see this.
Yeah. If I have a bazooka.
Sparklies. Was that all?
I love that. I love it.
Pollution.
Pollution.
That was all? That's why it's about to rain. It's about to go.
No, it's about to be hit by a rest of
Last time-
Can I do one?
I'm gonna
No.
head. That's why burn your apple with your hand.
I'm you. This smoke. Bro, it looks like it's gonna rain. Watch it rain.
Bro. This is meant to be the hottest month of the year.
I'll be right back. What is that noise? I don't see any fireworks.
What in the Hawaii? Oh, they have music.
Are they clapping?
I love the Mexican household.
I don't see anything.
Mexican cat.
What there?
Ooh.
What there? That was a big one. Oh, what was that firework? I saw a little one was swirling around. I just saw that.
Yo.
What work is happening right now? We need the bazookas to take them back.
Boom! One will shoot two of them up.
No. Oh, you want to show off your fires? I'll show off ours. Bazooka!
Landing!
Oh, be like our bazooka.
I just found some water.
Huh?
I found water. Look at it. Look at that. Landing!
And if you want to show off, we can show off our firework. Bazooka!
No, they're over here launching two and it goes like this together. Start bouncing off of each other. This is gonna be me. She don't know me. You said it was in the bathroom.
No, on top of the toilet.
I'm gonna go. Bazooka time. Boom!
These
Boom!
headphones are not helping. It's sucking too. Hold on.
Boom! Shakalaka. What if I just go above the clouds?
I believe I can fly flowers.
Huh? Every game at the 4th of July event, I played Celebrate out this morning with the 4th of July event. Some.
What?
Some of these. I'm going to here.
Attack!
Ooh. Can I throw it on the concrete? Ooh, that's scared. Me. That's scary. Be careful, they fall.
Question.
Supposed to throw them on the concrete. Me. Be careful with them.
Every time I see the back of
This is
the
how I do it, guys.
There's a bird over there going towards the firework area. What if that's fly?
What? Oh, flip. One's going off.
These are mine.
What's going off over there, Emmer? Hurry, what's going off over here? Over there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Collision.
Okay, I got some matches that I want to throw.
They're all roomy. Bro.
I'll be throwing some matches. Oh, if I sat on these.
You in pop yours? Yeah.
Huh.
If you throw all of them, it's like a mini explosion.
Oh my god. Let's set. I'm so. Hey.
Is someone gonna use this? Are you gonna use? Millie, where's June? Oh, look at that!
Where? Yeah.
Right on myself.
That just like literally exploded.
Why is the car light? Oh, never mind. Fireworks.
Imagine all the fireworks go up.
Like,
Imagine.
what if it's like 100 fireworks go in the sky at once?
No, what if everybody around here just lights all their fireworks at the
Fire.
same time? And all of them, every single one we have. No, bum clap. Bang, bang.
Oh, look at that.
It better not come over here.
Oh,
What was that? Oh yeah. Oh, I love these ones. These are the. Oh, they get higher? Yeah. I think. No. Yeah. Yeah. Pollution. That scared me. Oh. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, that scared me.
where's that one? There's a photo right there.
What is that? There's a helicopter.
There's a helicopter. Oh yeah. Boom.
Police. There's police.
What in the world, God? What in the world, say? Oh, I saw one. Look there. When they actually why did it start, bro? Where did
It's like a firework just hit the helicopter.
a noise? I know it's making that.
Like a fire.
Oh.
laps.
Oh, we got another one.
One's going.
What was that?
Did nothing.
That was a scream.
That was scared me.
Did absolutely nothing. Useless. Useless. The worst of the poppets. Those poppets. Useless.
They have bats? Oh yeah, they do. Theirs don't even. They almost scared the heck out of me. Like we have good ones. Holy! Yeah.
Oh!
I didn't even know what just happened.
Yo! Yo!
Avery, they have the
Yo!
ones.
They definitely put up
They have good ones.
Oh my god!
That's a good one. And over there, they have the good ones over there. But
Jesus.
close range? Holy! We're far range. How weird.
That started a disaster!
All cars are gonna go on.
Oh my god, what is this? They're getting arrested.
Boom! That was an illegal firework, bro. That could have came from the Eternals.
There's a car beeping.
Oh! What was that?
That was cool, bro. With this,
You
oh my,
mom.
bro, I lit this and started running. I lit this and started running.
I hate this. I hate this fire. Oh! Oh! Come on! It's going off! Oh, it's not. I hate that one. That one scares me. Amber, that I hate that one. That scares me a lot.
That's what people like to do.
And I could. That's scared. That's scared the heck out of me.
Oh, he's going again.
Nuni, that scared the heck out of me.
Bro, this one, that house sounds like, that house sounds like a thousand. That house has like 1,000,000 fireworks. How many fireworks do they have?
They're trying to get rid of them so they can go to sleep, bro. You ain't gonna go to sleep until we're done? Until they're done, until they're done, until they're done, until they're done.
You put on ludicrous, man.
That firework is gonna, that firework is gonna scare the heck out of me. While I'm sleeping, I know they do. Mom, they want to go to sleep. They want to go to sleep early. Mom, come here. That was. He's lucky. That was just
Which one is that?
after me.
I don't think we did this one last year. Or the year before that. I don't remember those.
I remember this one.
Which one was that? Oh, I got hit.
Going on.
Oh, that one. Oh! I get hit. Ah! Smoke.
No, the neighbors in front of us and in front of us want to go to sleep. Really
Bro,
bad.
I think they're done. I bet they're going back.
What if they're not done, though?
You always have to be ready for them. Bro, they light it
We're
like,
the second boss, so they're the first.
bro, they light it like every, like 2 minutes or 5.
It's been more than 5 minutes, like every 10 minutes.
Oh, that's a different house. Is that a siren head?
I think they're done.
Yeah.
But like, they're done too. It's because it's illegal fireworks. So like, they're probably searching up that, like, you know, helicopters are coming, so they're waiting. I'm gonna put my.
Look at the sky. It's not even that dark yet.
It is. It's, I mean, a little dark.
A little, yeah, but the fireworks got this. I need some